In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of canceling your Shopify trial with ease. Whether you're exploring other options or simply need a longer period to decide, knowing how to efficiently cancel your trial can save you unnecessary charges and stress. So let's dive right into this simple walkthrough. We'll begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in Shopify and hit the Enter key to bring up the Shopify website. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to sign into your account. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Input your email address and password associated with your Shopify account and press Login. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main dashboard. This page provides an overview of your store, sales, and analytics. Next, let's direct our attention to the lower left corner of the dashboard. Here you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings page is where you can customize the various aspects of your store, from payment providers to shipping details. From the Settings page, you'll want to look for the Plan section. It's crucial for managing your subscription and understanding the different options available to you, whether you are upgrading, downgrading, or, in our case, canceling. Click on Plan, and you'll be redirected to a page detailing your current subscription plan and payment cycle. On the Plan Details page, you'll notice an option labeled Cancel Trial. This step is key as it will initiate the process of ending your trial subscription. Click on Cancel Trial. Shopify may ask for confirmation or the reason for cancellation, which is entirely optional but can help them improve services in the future. This step ensures that you won't be billed once the trial period concludes, giving you peace of mind. And there you have it. You have successfully canceled your Shopify trial. It's always a good idea to double-check your email for any confirmation messages from Shopify. They'll usually send a follow-up email to confirm that the cancellation has been processed. Before we wrap things up, remember that should you decide to return to Shopify in the future, you can reactivate your store or start a new trial easily. Keeping such options in mind can be particularly useful if you're planning to revisit this or compare it with other platforms. Now, you're done. You've successfully navigated through the cancellation process and can rest assured you won't incur any surprise charges. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide made the process straightforward and stress-free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay updated with more handy guides and tutorials.